Hello kids, let's learn the alphabet from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's go!
A for apple. Apple is red and yummy. B for ball. Ball is round and fun. C for cat. Cat says meow.
D for dog. Dog is our best friend.
E for elephant. Elephant is very big.
F for fish. Fish swims in water. G for goat.
Ma!
H for hen. Hen gives us eggs.
I for ice cream. Ice cream is sweet.
J for jug. Jug holds water. K for kite. Kite flies in the sky.
L for lion. Lion is the king of the jungle.
M for mango. Mango is tasty. N for nest. Birds live in a nest.
O for orange. Orange is juicy.
P for parrot. Parrot is green.
Q for queen. Queen wears a crown. R for rabbit. Rabbit likes carrots.
S for sun. Sun gives us light. T for tiger. Tiger is strong.
U for umbrella. Umbrella protects us from rain.
V for van. Van moves fast.
W for watch. Watch tells time. X for xylophone. Xylophone makes music.
Y for yak. Yak lives in cold places.
Z for zebra. Zebra has black and white stripes.
Great job, kids! You learned A to Z. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.